Today, let's take a look at the HO scale U23B diesel locomotive by Atlas. This particular locomotive holds a special interest to me. So when I was a child, the first non-train set diesel locomotive that I ever got was an Atlas Blue Box Chessie System U23B. It looked exactly like this model here. I sold that original locomotive about 10 years ago. So when I saw that Atlas was releasing this model, nostalgia hit me and I knew I just had to have it. So here we have a model of the Chessie System C&O number 2313. In addition to the Chessie System, Atlas also made this locomotive in Lehigh Valley, Missouri Pacific, Conrail Express, Delaware and Hudson, and Santa Fe. The MSRP for these models is right around $200, but if you go to a good online retailer or brick and mortar hobby shop, you may be able to find one for a slight discount. This particular model came from Train World, and with shipping included cost me just around $200. Here's a close-up shot of the front of the locomotive. I'm going to back it up just a little bit. You see it already has some cobwebs on there because it's already been around the layout on a test run. Looks like I need to do some dusting. But here you can see the air hoses, coupler cut lever. Comes with Atlas's, I believe they're Accumate couplers. Separately applied windshield wipers and grab irons, and there are two painted crew members inside the cab, plus a detail cab interior. Here's a look at the back of the locomotive. See the MU hoses down there, coupler cut lever. Nice sturdy handrails all the way around, and separately applied grab irons. Atlas offers these models in both their silver and their gold line. Silver being their DC models, gold being the DCC models. All right, let's fire it up. Here's the bell. And horn. These models come with a whole list of sound effects. Here's a list of the different functions and sound effects. Well, that's going to be it for the review of the HO scale U23B from Atlas. Excellent models. Glad I picked this up, especially since it has that nostalgic connection for me. Well, that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.